Water, the liquid that oceans are made of, are filled with cities of species varying in sizes, from microscopic organisms to creatures that are as big as school buses. To survive in this giant swimming pool, creatures must adapt clever strategies to withstand the surrounding predators. The giant Pacific octopus, an extremely intelligent animal, is on average 10 feet in length and weigh about 100 pounds. These creatures are in the phylum Mollusca and are in the cephalopod class. Along with 8 arms, an octopus also has 3 hearts and 9 brains. Two of the 3 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third circulates blood to the rest of the body. This species has fairly good eyes. In fact, they are comparable to ours in clarity. The eyes of this octopus differ from ours in the respect that they focus by moving in and out, whereas the human eye focuses by changing the shape of its lens itself. There are 250 suckers on each arm for a total of 2,000 suckers on their body. These suckers are very sensitive to touch. In fact, the octopus can differentiate between different objects just as well with their suckers as they can with their eyes. They use one central brain to control their nervous systems and a small brain in each arm to control movement. The giant Pacific octopus is also known for having blue blood thanks to a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin in their bloodstream, which is efficient for oxygen transport in cold ocean environments. The mating of octopuses peaks in the winter months, with the peak of egg laying in April and May. Octopuses reproduce sexually and have both male and female octopuses. The male octopus uses his hectocotylized arm to take a massive spermatophore from within his mantle cavity. He then inserts it into the oviduct into the mantle cavity of the female. This process occurs at depths of 20 meters to 100 meters and lasts hours, with the female octopuses receiving the spermatophore up to 1 meter long. Female octopuses seem to prefer larger males as mates. A male octopus may mate with more than one female in their lifespan. However, the male octopus only lives a few months after breeding, and the female will die shortly after the eggs hatch. Incubation can take from 150 days to 7 or more months. The female may produce anywhere from 20,000 to 100,000 eggs over a period of several days. During incubation, the female octopus will take to cleaning and aerating the eggs. This takes place at a depth of less than 50 meters. After hatching, the baby octopus or larvae take on the role of plankton, drifting around the ocean feeding on dead food as opposed to hunting live prey. This stage on average lasts for 30 to 90 days. Octopuses feed on everything from smaller octopus to crustaceans, but a favorite food appears to be crab and shrimp. As a general rule, octopuses hunt prey during hours of darkness and retreat to their den to feed. Many overtake their prey with the use of venom of varying strengths, while others simply capture prey and consume them with their bird-like beak. These highly intelligent creatures have learned to open jars, mimic other octopuses, and solve mazes in lab tests. The population numbers are unknown, and they do not currently appear on any list of endangered or vulnerable animals. These individuals are sensitive to environmental conditions and may be suffering from high pollution levels in their range. The giant Pacific octopus is the most common species caught. It is caught by fisheries from North Japan to Washington State. The octopuses are caught in large, sometimes clay pots and raised to the surface. The octopuses are used for bait, for consumption by humans. Although these octopuses are caught in nearly all of their habitats, they are not endangered. These octopus have the ability to change their skin coloration in order to camouflage themselves. This is accomplished through action of the chromatophore cells in the skin. Chromatophore cells are made up of 3 bags containing different colors. These colors are adjusted until the background color is matched. The normal color of this octopus is brown. However, the octopus can change color according to mood, red representing anger, white representing fear, and surely there are more moods with colors to match, which are more subtle. These octopus have the ability to shoot a jet of purple to black inky fluid from their eyes in order to perform a disappearing act when they feel threatened. The medium to large Pacific giant is believed to go through a migratory stage in which it migrates from shallow to deep water and back again. The giant Pacific octopus is an amazing creature, brainy and beautiful. They're usually reddish pink with a delicate vein-like pattern when you see them up close, fading to white on the underside of the tentacles. They are mollusks, boneless invertebrates related to clams. But there are no shell-bound mussel that lives in the mud. They're agile, smart, and sneaky, armed with 8 sinuous tentacles that are studded with suction cups. The giant Pacific octopus spends most of their lives alone. They live in chilly Pacific waters from Korea and Japan north to Alaska and south to Southern California. They live in fairly shallow coastal waters to depths of 330 feet or more. If you're lucky and extremely sharp-eyed, you may find one in a tide pool. The next time you're swimming in the northern Pacific Ocean, be on the lookout for these amazing creatures.